Being able to earn money no matter what your location is, simply because you have a laptop with you or an iPad, that's something that cannot be underestimated. It just gives so much freedom, and that's why the International TESOL Diploma was developed. This course was actually developed for people who are after a new lifestyle. The entire course gives you the knowledge and the skills to be able to not only teach but find your own students. And if you want to take it far enough in the course, it even goes through explaining how you can set yourself up with other teachers teaching for you and take it that step further so that you can actually run it as a business. And the beauty of it is you don't have to have a degree, you don't have to have formal teaching qualifications or even experience. The course covers all of this with practicums and work experience included. The International TESOL Diploma, it's for people who really want to take control of their lives, who want that freedom to be their own boss. They want that lifestyle. You can continue earning the money that you need to live well and be able to fund the travel that you're doing. So this whole course is built around giving people freedom to build the life that they want. You don't have to have a product, you don't have to purchase things. It's actually your own ability and the skills that you're learning. That's your saleable item. There's no other financial investment. You can actually, just on your own intellectual knowledge and skills that you've been trained to do, go forward and continually earn a really good living and set yourself up and go as far with it as you want, because you've made that initial investment, and then go on and set up your own international ESL and IELTs teaching business.